Hello everyone. Welcome back to Arc Automation. Are you ready to learn how to download and install Wincc 8.1? If you are interested in automation, SCADA, PLC programming, or Wincc tutorials, then this channel is perfect for you. Make sure to check out my other videos and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to support the channel and get more powerful automation. Now, let's move to the first step. Go to the link and download the Wincc 8.1 setup for installation. I have attached the complete link details in the video description, so you can easily download the correct installer. Once you open the link, download all the required files into your local directory. Make sure all files are completely downloaded before starting the installation. Open file location and run setup.exe file. Sometime you may require restart computer. Click OK and restart computer. Setup will start running. Select language and click Next. Click Next for move forward. Click Next for move forward. Accept license agreement and click Next. Select language and click Next. Select package installation. Select Wincc installation with Webux if you required. Here you can select other package if required and click Next. Accept license agreement and click Next. Accept change in system and click Next. Click Install button. Installation is started. Here you can see progress of installation. For installation you may require 30 minutes to 60 minutes depend on your computer configuration. Once installation is finished, open Wincc Explorer and start your project development. If you have questions, suggestions, or want a specific topic covered, drop it in the comments. I am always happy to help. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. It really supports the channel.